Hello everyone. Today's topic is glycogen storage disease. The metabolic defects in formation of glycogen or breakdown of glycogen leads to glycogen storage disease. The diseases are due to defect in enzymes which involved in these pathways. Total 7 types of glycogen disease are there categorized in this table. This is name of disease. In next column, this is enzyme defect, this is organ involved in disease and characteristics features of disease. Let's discuss this disease one by one. First is von Gierke disease. Von Gierke disease is due to deficiency of enzyme or defect in enzyme glucose 6-phosphate, and organ involved in this disease are liver, kidney and intestine. And the characteristic features of this disease are severe hypoglycemia, means decrease in blood sugar, lactic acidosis, hyperuricemia, and enlargement of liver and kidney, hyperlipidemia, and gouty arthritis. These are the characteristic features of von Gierke disease. Second type of disease is Pompe disease, and the enzyme involved in this disease is lysosomal 1,4-glycosidase, or called as acid maltose, and all organs are involved in this, and these are its characteristic features: glycogen accumulation in lysosomes, enlarged liver and heart, death occur at early stage due to heart failure near about 2 years. Third type of disease is Coris disease. The defect is in debranching enzyme alpha-1,6-glucosidase, and organs affected are liver, muscle and heart, and leukocyte. Features are liver enlargement. Clinical manifestations are similar to von Gierke disease but milder, means less in severity. Fourth one is Anderson's disease, and in this disease branching enzyme is involved, or branching enzyme is having defect, that is glucosyl 4,6 transferase, and most tissues are involved in this enzyme. Features of this enzyme are cirrhosis of liver and impairment in liver function, mostly related to liver. And fifth one type is McArdle's disease. Enzyme is muscle glycogen phosphorylase, organ is skeletal muscle, and its characteristic features are storage of muscle glycogen is very high, muscle cramps, and muscles may get damaged due to inadequate energy supply. Sixth type of disease is Hertz disease. Enzyme involved is liver glycogen phosphorylase, so organ involved is liver, and characteristic features are liver enlargement, liver glycogen cannot form glucose, and mild hypoglycemia and ketosis. And seventh type of disease is Thyroid disease. Enzyme involved is phosphofructokinase, and liver organs are skeletal muscles and erythrocytes, and its characteristic features are muscle cramps and hemolysis, and blood level not elevated in this disease. This is the diagrammatic view of all the diseases of glycogen storage disease. Firstly, glucose is converting into glucose 6-phosphate, and enzyme is glucose 6-phosphatase. Then this is first glycogen storage disease. It occurs if this enzyme has defect. Next is conversion of glucose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6 biphosphate. Here is enzyme phosphofructokinase. If there is defect in this enzyme, then number 7 disease, Thyroid disease, occur. Further, glucose 1-phosphate converts into UDP glucose. Then UDP glucose converts into glycogen linear chain or glycogen unbranched. The enzyme here is glycogen synthase, but no deficiency of this enzyme causes glycogen storage disease. After that, this glycogen converts into glycogen, unbranched glycogen converts into glycogen, and some part converts into glucose. Here the enzyme is lysosomal alpha glycosidase. This is lysosomal degradation. If this enzyme has defect, then second number disease, that is Pompe's disease, occurs. And while converting to glycogen, unbranched to glycogen, here is an enzyme, that is glycosyl 4,6 transferase. If this enzyme has defect, then fourth number of disease occur, that is Anderson disease. It is also known as branching enzyme. Next is conversion of glycogen to limit dextrin. It is the enzyme is there is glycogen phosphorylase, and if this enzyme has defect, then there will be two diseases depend upon the storage of glycogen. First is liver and second is muscles. If there is defect in muscle phosphorylase, then number fifth disease occurs, that is McArdle's disease. And if there is defect in liver phosphorylase enzyme, number 6 disease occur, that is Hertz disease. After formation of limit dextrin, it converts into glucose 1-phosphate. Here the enzyme is debranching, that is alpha 1,6 glucosidase, and this causes Cory's disease of number 3, third type. This is the diagrammatic view of both the cycles, that is glycogenesis and glycogenolysis, and enzyme involved in these two pathways, and these enzymes deficiency or defect causes this glycogen storage disease. Thank you.